Do you want to make money by investing in the stock market without actually having to go to some regular brokers or depending on external factors for your financial well-being? Now, most people think that pulling off great rates of return through investing in stocks is going to be a very complicated process without those regular brokers and analysts on TV. But that cannot go further than a false speculation. Fear not, because today we're going to show you how you can define your circle of competence so that you start earning money by investing in certain stocks or stocks you really understand, which can skyrocket your returns. But first of all, let's take a sneak peek into what we learned in the last video. We discussed that going about investing in the way most people go is not the ideal way of making money through stock market investing. And we also introduce you guys to our approach about stock market investing and why it is easy and more profitable in the long run. Now, in case you haven't watched that video already, make sure you go back and watch that video first because we have shared a ton of important and valuable information which you need to know about. And if you're serious about making money in the stock market, then you need to stop right here and go back. With that being said, let us reveal how you can get results real fast by defining your circle of competence. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche. And this can be any sector of stocks you're very comfortable with. In this video, we're going to be revealing some niches which can help you navigate your way. We're going to show you different niches with examples in stocks so that you can easily grasp the concept. The first niche, which we're going to talk about, is the tech sector. To be clear, there are many investors which make millions or even billions by getting their hands on some tech stock. The examples we're going to talk about include stocks like Apple, Nasdaq, or Microsoft. Now, we're all familiar with these stocks in one way or another, like they literally own the business in their sectors. The greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett, has Apple controlling the biggest chunk of his portfolio. That shows us how profitable these stocks can be. Warren Buffett has the major chunk of his profits coming from this stock. Truth be told, if you have majored in engineering or any other tech degree, and you think you mean business in the tech sector, then this niche can be your go-to niche. The next niche we're going to talk about is real estate. To be honest, this particular niche has taken the game to another level in the last couple of years. There are some major real estate stocks in the S&P 500. For example, the American Towers is one of the companies you can invest in and obtain stocks. They also provide their investors with good dividends that are like heaven for investors. Similarly, we have the Equinix, which is also a great stock if you understand real estate in depth. One thing is for certain, if you have a substantial grip on real estate, that goes to say that if you understand property business, and you can really push the bar high and outperform other value investors, then this particular niche is for you. The next niche is the industrial sector, and that includes stocks like Tesla, News Corp, Nasdaq, and so on. One might question what characteristics of an industrial stock we need to keep in mind. For that purpose, industrial companies are the ones which deal in manufacturing, building products, electrical equipment, and industrial machinery. That goes to say that if you understand how some of these companies work, and you've been closely acquainted with how these companies go about their business, then you can surely earn your bread and butter by investing in these stocks. Next up, we have the stocks related to the food or beverages industry. Now, this might get you interested. There are many stocks like Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Kellogg's. These are the stocks which have literally made a lot of money for their investors in the last few years. Some of these businesses also pay hefty dividends to their investors, which keeps many investors interested in them. Let's not forget that a good part of Warren Buffett's investments are also in the Coca-Cola stock. Everyone knows that the product this particular company is selling is literally everywhere, so if you understand such stocks to their depth and you feel like you have a grip on them, then you should definitely go for them. There are many other niches like health services, communication sector, information technology, and so on. But these are some of the niches everyone needs to know about. Now, after knowing about all of these niches that are helping their investors make millions out of their investments, you might be wondering that in order to get things rolling for you, these stocks might be important for you. Imagine you take out 2 hours out of your daily routine and spend it on analyzing these stocks every day. The game can change for you. These stocks can literally reward you for years and years to come. Now, in our program, The Millionaire Investor, we're going to be sharing with you guys tons and tons of valuable information, including lots of niches which can be very valuable for you. And we're also going to be giving you guys examples of many companies' stocks and how to go about them. So stay on the lookout because we're soon going to upload some more helpful videos for you guys. In the next video, we're going to be sharing a video for you guys which will help you more about analyzing these stocks. So make sure you turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. And while you are watching this, if the next video is already out, check this video, which is the next video from this video series, and you'll get so much out of this video right here.